Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Cloud Identity for workloads step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Cloud Identity for workloads, we will begin by navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Click on the Project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select New Project and enter a name for your project. Once created, make sure you have the project selected in the drop-down menu. Next, enable the Google Cloud Identity API. In the left sidebar, click on APIs and Services, then select Library. Search for Google Cloud Identity API and click on it. Press the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Now, we will set up credentials for authentication. Under APIs and Services, click on Credentials. Select Create Credentials and choose OAuth Client ID. You will need to configure the consent screen first. Choose External for application type and fill out the required fields. Return to the Create OAuth Client ID page after configuring the consent screen. Select the application type relevant to your workload, typically web application for server-side calls. Provide a name for your OAuth Client ID. Add the necessary redirect URIs based on your application setup. Click Create to generate your OAuth credentials. Make a note of the client ID and client secret. Next, we will install the Google Cloud SDK if you haven't already. Visit cloud.google.com/SDK and follow the instructions for your operating system. Once installed, authenticate your SDK using the command cloud-auth login. Then, set the project using the command cloud config set project, your _project _ID. Now, to request an access token, use the command cloud-auth application default print access token. This token will allow your workloads to authenticate with Google Cloud Identity. If applicable, use libraries like Google Auth Library for your application code to manage authentication programmatically. Make sure to handle tokens securely and refresh them as needed. Test the authentication by making a simple API call to see if your workload can communicate with Google Cloud Identity. Monitor logs for any authentication errors and troubleshoot as necessary. You have now successfully authenticated with Google Cloud Identity for your workloads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.